National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cott County until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour winds. This storm was located 6 miles north of Waterville or 8 miles southeast of Newport and moving east at 10 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Del Rio and Drowned Mountain. If this storm approaches your area, seek cover. This is no weather.